The bandwagon effect is a powerful social phenomenon where people are influenced to adopt behaviors, trends, or beliefs simply because they are popular or widely accepted. Imagine you're walking down the street and see a massive line forming outside a new store. Curiosity might nudge you to join the queue, even if you weren't initially interested in what they're selling. That's the bandwagon effect in action. This phenomenon is driven by a combination of psychological factors, such as conformity, fear of missing out, and perceived validation. Let's take a quick look at each of these psychological factors. Then we will look at the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, which neatly exemplifies the bandwagon effect in action. Humans are social creatures with a strong desire to belong and feel accepted by a group. When we see a large group participating in something, it triggers a primal need to fit in and avoid social rejection. This can be particularly strong for teenagers or young adults who are still forming their social identities. Social media further amplifies this effect as we're constantly bombarded with images and videos of people participating in trends. The fear of being ostracized or labeled uncool can be a powerful motivator to hop on the bandwagon, even if it clashes with our personal preferences. In today's hyper-connected world, the fear of missing out on something exciting or valuable, FOMO, can be a powerful motivator. The bandwagon effect preys on this fear, making us feel like we need to join the trend to avoid being left behind. Social media feeds are filled with curated highlights of people participating in trends, creating an illusion that everyone else is having a fantastic time. This can trigger anxiety and a sense of urgency to join in, even if we're not entirely sure why the trend is popular in the first place. We often associate popularity with correctness. If a large number of people believe or do something, it can lead us to believe it must be the right choice. This perceived validation can influence our own decisions and actions. For example, if a new clothing brand suddenly becomes popular with celebrities and influencers, we might be more likely to purchase their clothes, even if we have no prior experience with the brand. This is because we subconsciously trust the judgment of the masses and believe that popularity equates to quality or good taste. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge of 2014 perfectly exemplifies the bandwagon effect in action. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, is a debilitating neurodegenerative disease with limited treatment options. The challenge aimed to raise awareness and funds for ALS research. Participants filmed themselves dumping a bucket of ice water over their heads and then nominated others to do the same. The challenge went viral on social media, with celebrities, athletes, politicians, and everyday people participating. While the ALS Association did see a significant increase in donations due to the challenge, the bandwagon effect undeniably played a role in its widespread participation. Here's how. There was a social media frenzy, and social media platforms such as Twitter and Instagram were flooded with Ice Bucket Challenge videos. Seeing a constant stream of friends and acquaintances participating created immense social pressure. The fear of missing out, FOMO, likely motivated many to participate, even if they weren't directly connected to ALS. Another factor was celebrity endorsements. Celebrities hold immense social influence. When A-listers started taking the challenge and nominating each other, it fueled the trend further. The desire to be associated with a popular movement and mimic the behavior of admired figures likely drove many to participate. There was also a challenge aspect. The act of dumping ice water over yourself creates a humorous and slightly shocking spectacle. This novelty factor, coupled with the challenge element of nominating others, made the Ice Bucket Challenge a fun and engaging activity to participate in. However, for some, the fun and challenge might have overshadowed the core message of raising awareness for ALS. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge undeniably raised significant funds for a worthy cause. However, it also demonstrates the power of the bandwagon effect. Social pressure, celebrity influence, and the desire to be part of a viral trend can significantly influence our actions, even for a good cause. It's important to be mindful of these factors and ensure our motivations are aligned with the purpose behind a movement before blindly following the crowd. The bandwagon effect highlights the power of social influence in shaping our behavior. It's a reminder to be mindful of why we're making choices and avoid blindly following the crowd. However, as we have seen in this video, the bandwagon effect can also be harnessed for positive change. Social movements and awareness campaigns can leverage this phenomenon to spread important messages and encourage widespread participation. Before you go, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest discussions. I'm Dr. Dag, eager to hear your thoughts or future topic suggestions in the comments below. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.